Hey everyone! Welcome to part 18 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore sets in Python, learning how to work with them practically, use built-in functions, and perform operations like union and intersections. Let's get started.
Next, what is sets? We are coming to sets. What is sets? Can anyone tell me what is set? What do you mean by sets? What will call what do you mean by sets? Can anyone tell me what is sets? Sets doesn't, max, right? 10th class max. Okay, sets does not have any duplicate elements. Okay, it contains unique element. Okay, sets does not have any duplicate elements. Okay, how to declare a set in this flower bracket if you run it? Okay, no index, yeah. And one more thing is no index. I need to mention that also. That point is a good point. Okay, we don't have any index. No index, we don't have any index for it. Okay, next, how to add elements? Same, set is equal to, okay, 1 comma 8 comma 7 comma 20 comma 3 comma 4 comma, like this you can take. But here give comma while you're taking some elements. Okay, you'll get elements this way. Why I'm getting in sorted order? It's just because even though you have some repetition, you're getting unique elements. And one more thing, why I'm getting this everything this way is just because my Jupyter notebook is updated. Okay, I'll be using this same the Jupyter notebook for different computer vision projects, generative AI projects, and I have updated everything on this Jupyter notebook. I have installed so many packages. More than 50 inbuilt libraries I have already installed in this. Okay. So that's the reason my Jupyter notebook, like if you take online compiler, they won't come in this ascending order actually. Okay. You won't get it in ascending order. Here I'm getting just because my system is updated, like my Jupyter notebook is updated. Okay. How to take input? Here, how to take input? Can anyone tell me how to take input? Same. How to take input value from keyboard every time. Remember this. From keyboard you are taking. Okay. How to take input values from keyboard? This time. Okay. How to take it? Same. S is equal to set of map of hint comma. Here I'm taking integer values, that I'm taking hint. Otherwise you can take float or boolean, whatever it is. Okay. Input dot split. Okay. You can take any element. If I take 3 repetition, see what happens. I'm giving this many 3. Now see, after running, yes, so what I'll get. You have 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 39. Okay, it is not taking any duplicate values. Okay. Uh, while we are dealing with sets, you need to perform some operations, right? What are the important operations that you have in the sets? Okay, I'll be explaining you that part too. What are the important things that you need to deal with this while you are using this sets? Till here, everything is clear, right? How to take this thing. Tuple is clear, everything. Once go through this concept, this list, tuple, sets, dictionary, all are important. And previously we have deal with so many other things in Python. Focus on them. Even this list part is important. All these things I'm giving in everything I'm giving in very clear way. You can make a PDF and you can take a Xerox of this all notebooks. That might help you. I used to learn that way actually. Even I used to take Xerox of different things. Okay. Why? Because I'm not mission, right? Here, these things we can remember, but when you're going some advanced projects in data science, make a documentation or note it somewhere. Okay. Even you need to note these important things like count, in tuple count, somewhat things like you need to note, make a short note, so that by seeing that short note, you should be able to use them whenever you're getting coding part, this sort of things. You need to recap these all things at that time. It will be helpful for you while you're doing solving the coding. Okay. Next in sets, we have some other functions like everyone know what is union, right? Okay. Union of two elements. What will be the union of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4? Okay. If I take union of this and if I take 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6, what will be the result? Can anyone tell me? What will be the result here? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 you'll get for this. If you take union, okay? Same example I'll give you. Set 1, I'll give 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Set 2, I'll give you same 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. And here I will use union. How to take union? You have two things. How to take union. I'll show you different things how you can take union. A dot union you can take. Okay. Or else or operator you can take. Okay. A dot union of B. Sorry. This is not A. It is S1. S1 dot union of S2 you will get this way. Or S1. Okay. And between use or operator and ES2. It gives the same thing. Okay. Either use this or either use this way. Okay. For union, you have method 1 and method 2 if you want, I'll write method 1. Remember, I'm just highlighting just because you need to remember these things. Okay. Just I'm highlighting, it's not required to highlight actually, but to make you some attention on this when you are dealing with this, I'm doing this. Okay. Method 2. Okay. This is for union. Similarly, you have sir for another things also. What are they? Intersection. Okay. What is intersection? Everyone know, right? What is intersection? Okay. If I give 1, 2, 3, 4, same example. Okay. If I take intersection, intersection of 3, 4, 5, 6, what thing you will get? What is the output here? You'll get output as 3 comma 4, right? You'll get output as 3 comma 4. Okay. Same example I'll take now. See. Okay. I'm running this. Now take the intersection part. Okay. A dot intersection. What is this? Okay. A dot intersection of V. Sorry, again I'm using it, not A, it is S1. ES2. Okay. Similarly, to get this is method 1 and method 2 I have shown you in the first one, right? Similarly, we have another method called we can use and here to get the same thing. Okay. For and you get the same thing. Even this you can consider as method 1 and this you can consider as method method 2. Okay, try to understand the content what I'm delivering here. Okay, Done with union and intersection. Fine. Okay, we are done with union and intersection. How to do it? You got it. Like how to do with intersection and union. Okay. Now this is clear. When we are adding an element, how we will add an element? Okay. Adding a element into sets. You need to remember this all things. Okay. We'll use add operator here. Okay. So add method here. We have sets, right? Yes, sir. Okay. Now add some elements to it. Yes, dot add of some 89. Okay. Here everything you are getting in ascending order, but in general it does not have any index. Okay. No index. As I mentioned here, no index. Remember that part while you are dealing with this thing. Okay. While you are dealing with sets, you need to remember that. Okay. Next, clear right till here. And if you want to change any element, what you'll do at that time? If you want to add multiple elements, here I'm adding only one element. Is it possible to add multiple elements here? Okay, 89 comma 200 comma 300. Okay, takes exactly one argument. It takes exactly one argument. You cannot do it. So if you want to take multiple elements to add, okay, multiple elements, you need to go with to add multiple elements. Okay, we are using this update. Okay, see now, instead of add, I'll use some update. Okay, take it in square bracket. Even extend, we have done the same thing. Okay, in this way, you can add multiple elements. Clear? Okay, how we are updating, you're getting it right. How to update these things. Clear, right? How to update, how to use this update to add multiple elements. We use this update. Okay, and we have uh, remove function too, like how to remove some elements. Everything is unique, right? Okay, when they are unique, you can use remove. Okay, based on the element you can remove. Okay, these are unique, right? You can use a remove function. Okay, now see how to use that remove. Here you are getting yes, sir. I want to remove this 200. Okay, s dot remove. Same thing you have in list actually this part. Okay, some will be same, but some you need to remember. In this way, you can use this remove method here. Okay, you are getting it right? How to use this remove method here? Okay, in this way you can use remove. This thing you have in sets. What logic you are building, it's up to you. You can use any logic. There is no specific logic that you need to follow it. You can create your own logics also. When you are working with these all things, you can create your own logic too. Okay, clear, right? These are the different things that we have for sets concept. When you're going to sets, you are having this concept, and tuple we are having these, and some more enable methods I'll tell you for sure. Like I'll take one more session for it. Okay, that I'll be dealing after NumPy pandas thing. Okay, first I'll complete this sets. Today we'll be completing dictionary also. We'll complete this dictionary, and tomorrow's class will deal with NumPy and pandas. 2 days I want to deal with NumPy and pandas. Then after that, Monday we'll see. Okay, chalo. Let's deal with and how to add some like you cannot add elements. You can convert sets into list actually. Okay, you can convert sets into list. convert sets into lister. Okay, list, you can convert many things, you can do like sets to list. Okay, sets to lister, sets to tuple. Okay, sets to list, sets to tuple. Similarly, list to sets. You can do this all things. Similarly, list to tuple we have done. Okay, and even tuple to list, tuple to list, and you can do tuple to sets to. This all typecastings are possible actually. Okay, you can convert. It's nothing but typecasting. You'll call it as typecasting. Remember this terminology in programming. Okay. Next, clear, right? How to convert and all. You need to have idea. Just showing you how to take it and how to take input values for sets. Here, did I tell you the how to take input values sets? Okay. Tuple I have shown you. Same thing.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing sets and their operations. And let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 19. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sklassics Technology.